Good morning everyone, I am Harshit, your tech host, and welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin brought to you by IT Voice. In today's news, we will be covering news about WhatsApp shifts to Google Drive storage system, US AMS Type-C PD 100-watt cable for efficient charging, Google's Photomoji feature in Messages app, Pebble and Tab Jeans launch limited edition smartwatch, and more. To skip to any particular news story, use the chapters below. And don't forget to subscribe to IT Voice and stay up to date on all the latest tech news. WhatsApp announces a significant policy shift affecting users' free storage days from 2024. Data will start counting against Google Drive storage early in 2024, impacting beta users on Android initially. WhatsApp assures users they can continue backup without extra charges within the 15 GB free cloud storage and additional purchased storage via Google One. The transition is outlined on a dedicated help page providing users with a timeline to manage their chats, photos, and videos. Users are encouraged to explore alternative options like transferring chats between Android devices using the WhatsApp chat transfer tool. Next we have US AMS introduces the Type-C to Type-C PD 100-watt cable, emphasizing reliable and affordable charging speed tracking. The cable features a compact LED screen displaying charging speed, boasting a durable braided nylon construction. Tested with various chargers, the cable consistently reflects high charging speed for compatible devices, making it a cost-effective choice. It provides users with flexibility, durability, and accurate charging speed readings, positioning it as an excellent option for those who prioritize monitoring charging speeds. Google introduces Photomoji, a new feature in its Messages app designed to bring a personal touch to emoji reactions. Currently available to beta testers, the feature will be gradually rolled out to all users in the coming weeks. Users can create, save, edit, and delete up to 30 Photomojis, sending them as a small image attachment in RCS chats. The Photomoji feature is designed to enhance user expression by allowing the incorporation of personal photos into emoji reactions. Rumors circulate about Apple's plan to streamline iPad selection and enhance user experience. Speculations point to a 12.9-inch iPad Air becoming compatible with the largest Magic Keyboard, expected in March 2024. The iPad Air is anticipated to receive an M2 chip, aligning with a 2-year upgrade cycle, while the iPad Pro models might feature the M3 chip. The introduction of an OLED screen for the iPad Pro is considered a notable differentiator, potentially influencing user preferences. Pebble and Tab Jeans collaboratively unveil a limited edition smartwatch featuring calling, Bluetooth, and unique design elements. Priced at Rs 1,999, the smartwatch offers advanced calling features, notifications, reminders, AI voice assistance, and health tracking. The collaboration extends utility-based features, multiple sports modes, and adaptive watch faces catering to diverse user preferences. The limited edition smartwatch is available through multiple platforms including Pebblecart.com, TabJeans.in, Flipkart, Myntra, and exclusive Tab Jeans stores across India. Apple's Vice President of Product Design, Tang Tan, announces departure in February 2024, signaling significant changes in Apple's design leadership. Tan, responsible for overseeing the design of iPhones and Apple Watches, played a pivotal role in shaping the company's key products. His departure prompts a reshuffling in Apple's hardware engineering team, with changes in responsibilities for existing team members. Richard Din, leading iPhone product design, receives an expanded role, reporting directly to Turners, indicating a shift in leadership dynamics. Next we have Asus gears up to unveil the 8th version of its gaming-centric ROG phone series at CES 2024. The phone is expected to feature a distinctive pentagon shape with improvements in camera areas powered by Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset. Anticipated enhancements include a side-mounted USB-C port and advancement in gaming-oriented features. The regular ROG Phone 8 is speculated to have 16 GB RAM, while the Ultimate Edition might feature 24 GB RAM supporting 65-watt fast charging. This is Harshit signing off. Stay tuned and follow IT Voice for the latest tech news. हेलो दोस्तों, क्या आपने अपने डिवाइस में कभी DCIM नाम का फोल्डर देखा है और सोचा है ये क्या होता है? DCIM का फुल फॉर्म है डिजिटल कैमरा इमेजेस। ये एक स्टैंडर्ड फोल्डर स्ट्रक्चर है जो आपके डिजिटल कैमरा या स्मार्टफोन से ली गई फोटोज और वीडियोस को स्टोर करता है। तो अगली बार जब आप अपनी फाइल्स को ब्राउज करेंगे तो आपको पता होगा DCIM का क्या मतलब होता है। सब्सक्राइब बटन को क्लिक करना मत भूलना फॉर मोर टेक इनसाइट्स। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट शॉट में।